In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an invoice from Airbnb in just 5 minutes. Whether you need it for business records or personal expense tracking, obtaining an Airbnb invoice is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to head to the Airbnb website. If you're accessing this from your computer, open your preferred web browser and enter www.airbnb.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account. To do this, locate the menu icon in the top right corner of the page. It's typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on it, and you should see an option to log in or sign up. Choose this option to proceed. At this point, you'll be presented with various methods to log in. For ease and speed, I recommend selecting Continue with Google, especially if you're already signed in to your Google account on that device. Simply click on the option and then choose your Google account from the list provided. This will quickly log you into Airbnb without the need to manually input your login credentials, provided you've linked your accounts previously. Once you're in, direct your attention once again to the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and this time, look for and select the option labeled Trips. It's in this section that you'll find details about your past and upcoming stays, each neatly listed for your perusal. Next, browse through your trips and select the reservation you need an invoice for. You can do this by simply clicking on the reservation. You'll usually recognize it by the location or date of your stay. Selecting your reservation will open up the reservation details page, giving you access to important information about that specific booking. Now, here's the crucial part. Within the reservation details, look for an option that says Get Receipt. This is typically located towards the bottom, but sometimes its placement can vary slightly depending on Airbnb's website updates. Clicking on Get Receipt will open a new window or tab where your receipt will be displayed. From here, you can either print it out directly if you need a hard copy, or download it as a PDF to save electronically. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved your Airbnb invoice. It's a good practice to keep these documents organized, especially if you're frequently traveling for work and need to keep track of your expenses effectively. I hope this was helpful and simplified the process for you. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more useful guides like this one.